Hey guys, it's Bria Larine, and today I'll be showing you this elegant and beautiful low ponytail, perfect for any occasion with smooth and shine. So I'm starting off with dry, stretched, and detangled hair, and I'm going to put my hair into a side part. Now, I'm not necessarily concerned about whether this is a neat part or not because I want this to be a very romantic and candid style. I don't want it to be so cookie cutter perfect, so I don't really care about the part. I'm going to put the front section in a clip and just section it away while I work on the back. I'm going to spritz the rest of my hair with water to keep it moisturized, and then I'm going to grab the moisturizing conditioner from Smooth and Shine that has shea butter in it, so it's perfect for the cold winter months. And I'm going to apply that mainly on my ends to keep my hair moisturized. I'm then just going to brush my hair back and then basically mold my hair into a low ponytail. Once I have my hair smoothed down, I'm just going to grab my large headband, wrap it around my head twice, and then I'm going to just maneuver it going back to get the perfect large puff. Once the puff is installed, I'm going to grab a large section and grab my curl defining cream from Smooth and Shine, and I'm just going to apply this to the section of hair, detangle, and then I'm going to two-strand twist. And I'm using large chunky sections because I want this to be a very large puff, and that's also why I'm working on dry stretched hair, because I'm going to get more volume versus me working on wet hair. And if you don't know, this is a new line from Smooth and Shine. If you haven't seen my previous video, I also use some of their old and new, but this is their new line and you can see it in stores all over, so definitely be sure to check that out. Once the twists are all installed, I'm just going to work on the front section of my head, and I'm going to spritz each section with just a little bit of water just to get my hair a little bit more wet so I can get a little bit more definition towards the front. And then I'm not going to make my twist as large as well. I'm going to make these kind of medium. And again, I'm just going to apply the curl defining cream, detangle, and then just twist my hair up. Once the twists are all installed, I sat under my hooded dryer for an hour, and my twists were all dry and ready to take down. As you can see, the definition is popping, and these chunky twists in the back are looking great. I'm then just going to separate my hair, and again, I want this to be a very large puff. I want it to be very big in the back, a lot of volume, so I'm going to separate a whole lot. Then I'm just going to work on the front, do the same thing, just unravel my twist and separate. As you can see, I got really good definition, and my twist remained stretched because again, I worked on dry stretched hair. And of course, I'm going to grab my pick and go ham on my ponytail. I'm picking. I want the definition there, but I'm not too concerned about the definition. Again, I'm more concerned about the volume. So I'm just going to pick at my roots a little bit at the front and make sure that I have that nice volume in the front. And then I'm just going to loosely and gently grab my hair and pin it towards the beginning of the ponytail where the band is. I'm going to leave some pieces loose, again, just to give that soft and romantic, effortless vibe. And this is the final look. This hairstyle was super easy, and again, this is a brand new line from Smooth and Shine, so if you haven't checked it out, be sure you do. They're all over. I'll be sure to leave more information in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe in this video. And guys, again, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post dope content all the time. So again, follow me at Bria Larine, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.